Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. A very special one, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us, and guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So, in case you're new, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So, I'm just wake up from my house around 30 minutes. So probably I was taking my GoPro and then shooting these videos. So let me confirm the time, guys. Right now it's around 9:37 a.m. very in the morning, and I'm shooting this video on Saturday. So guys, God is good all the time, and technically I want to take you outside, guys. You know, that's how my house looks like, and maybe my brother wake up from here. Yeah. Wow, I've already made the bed right there, you know. Wow. So say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah.
How was your night?
It was nice.
Yeah. So they're washing actually school uniform. Today's on Saturday, and the sun sets from this side. No, I'm coming there. Guys, first thing, let me say hello to my dog, because the moment I just show up the camera, it starts making chaos. Yeah, good morning, Bruno. Yeah, I don't want to leave you behind, you know. How was your night, my dog? Bruno, how was your night? Guys, let me tell you one secret about this dog. When I was wake up in the morning, they didn't make noise. But when I'm shooting the video, it's not like woo. It's because I feature you on the camera, and then I'll never left you behind, you know. I want to say hello to you. Wow. So that's my dog right here. Really chill. You want to go outside? Yeah, maybe. Bro, maybe they want to put Pooh outside. You want to go and put Pooh outside? Alright. Yeah, you take it around 30 minutes, and then it's come back to the position. Yeah. Okay. Take it out of take you go. Yes, boom. It's found my mom already. Wow. Mama, morning, mom.
Hello.
You're good?
I am good.
Yes. You want to make the cow? Wow. Yeah. Every day, guys, there's some activity. You can see my brother washing clothes here. And before I left home, guys, I need to take the medicine for curing my pain, guys. So right now I'm just feeling better. So, and I'm going on doing some exercise, especially press up, you know, so for the more exercise on my body, you know. Wow, that's my dog, man. Right, let me show you how my mama milked the cow. First thing, the baby calf sucking. You see here, sucking like to bring up milk. Yeah. This is water jug. So guys, I want to show you how my mama milk, you know. So right now you see I'm just stable because I'm making some a little bit exercise, you know. And then wash it's boobs or what, guys? I don't know. It's boobs or what? Okay, guys, comment on the comment section what mama wash. What's calling, guys? There's a day I make a research. It's boobs. No. Yeah, and then start squatting, milking the cow. Right? And when you want the cow to disturb, you tie the calf here. Let me show you guys. You tie the calf here, and then it starts showing the love, you know. You can see. Yeah. These are pretender. And then her mama say hello. And mama saying the love. At the same time, my mama milk the cow. Like guys, no machine for milking cows. We normally use purely hand, you know. African mom to the world. And wow, I forget my bangle in my bedroom. So I'll go and wear that bangle, guys, because I came with it from Mombasa, you know. Okay. Guys, shh. Maybe the cow didn't want noise. It started disturbing my mama. So let me wash my hand and then, you know, Daddy, come on. I wash my hand and then, boom, taking tablet, guys, you know. Oh my God, what is running? Wow. More tablets. Wow. Entering to my house, guys, like that way. And you know, guys, me, I wanna say thank you so much for the love and support. You know, actually, guys, this battery that you see here, and it's a brand new. Big shout out to David Jr. He bought this battery at the shop, especially for the car, and then they want to exchange, but the mechanic told him the battery which are in car have some power because they're also new. So when David Jr. bought this battery, man, he gave me, and he told me, hello baby, you wanna use that one? Because man, he helped me a lot, because sometimes I use to light the small lights here and there, and running my portable Wi-Fi for meanwhile like around maybe 3 hours, and then it went off because we didn't have a bigger solar, and also we need to have a battery, but also we need to clean them. Yeah, we need to clean up, man. Yeah, he giving me this battery, brand new, guys. I'm not faking things, and big shout out to him. You know, he has a pure heart, guys. You know, David Jr. Subscribe to his channel. You know, imagine, guys, brand new, and I'm the one who opened this battery from the box. You know, realized. Yeah, like it's not good to put the battery on the floor. So let me look the chairs and fix it. You know, then we return it back. I'm telling you, guys, these are brand new. And when it's purely green full here, it means the battery is already full. You know, you want to clean up. You can see some dust here, right here. You see the white stuff. I don't know whether it's a acidic battery, but this one here, it's powder battery, guys. Amani yamanti daddy. Yeah, this one are not this one are not acidic battery, but it's written chloride oxide max battery, 100% maintenance free. Diamond. Of my cousin. You know, guys, it's a brand new battery, and I'm telling you, you know, it helped me in terms of lightening some lights to my house a little bit, and then using my portable Wi-Fi. You know, for a minute, around maybe 3 minutes, and then it went off. But my family need to have a bigger battery, maybe 200 watts. 200, maybe it's watts or voltage. I think voltage, so it can run for my entire home. Mambo kama futike kama kidogo makwira nyingi. Yeah, we need to clean up. You know, imagine. And on the same day, guys, we were together with him, and then when we reached back to his home, he said, "Hello, baby. Now, mechanic said this bed is just okay. You can take this new. You can use it, guys. You know." Big shout out to him. Subscribe to David Nunes channel, guys. Show him some love. Although a lot of rumors have been going through internet, you know, we fixed it out. You know, we solve issues out. You know, we are family. Bruno. One day I'll buy for you some kg of meat and then we're enjoying. You know, you wait. Wow. Afu gitigeka moke. Kidogo so kidogo tora komo. Let me wash my hand because I was touching again the dog. Yeah, man, it's crazy. Yeah. So it's time to take my. It's Prisco. It's. Let me read that name for that medicine guy. Yeah, right here we have water on the cup. It's Piriscam or what? But Piroscam. Anyway, yesterday I have read it. You know, and it's 1 times 2. You know, I take one in the morning, and then maybe around 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. at night, I'll take another one. You know, maybe it's range around maybe after 8 hours or 10 hours. I don't know. You know. Yeah. It's supposed to be Piroscam. It's Piroscam capsules. Hey. Oh my god. Yeah, it's this one here. When I was a kid, I was like, I was being like, I don't want maybe to take maybe tablet, needles, you know. I was fearing. Let's say, at the same time, I need to drink a lot of water, you know. Oh my god. When am I going to finish this? By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 3 days. I'm gonna say goodbye. You know. Yeah. Below here, I have the system. You know, I have TV, but because of the lack of power, things hang on the wall. Below we have the system, man, and it's like creating bigger bass, like boom, boom, boom. You know, if I could have maybe enough maybe power, man, even right now I could listen maybe not maybe I could listen Jamaican song, also church song, you know. But for the reasons, nothing here. Come on, Kenneth. There's a milk here. Whew. So we left it, and then it's a drop. Mama, nana nipa ibeti.
Huh?
Nana nipa beti. To be honest, nana nipa beti. Kama unajua.
David Junior.
Nani?
David Junior.
Yes, David Junior, guys, you know. And he was cousin to my mama. And it's a brand new. So let me take you outside. Hey, I had the mama moto mewaka. Ooh. Look. Guys, I think I'll warm myself a little bit. You know. According to our culture, we do like this. Like that, guys, you know. Yeah. Yes. Hey. You know, like, and then also some hands like that way. You know? So our grandma told us we're supposed to do like that when maybe it's too cold. I want to prepare chai or tea. Let me give you space, mama. Like I don't want maybe. Yeah. Okay, let me give my mama enough space so she can prepare for us tea, you know. Yeah. So I think the best time I can go that way to bask the sun a little bit because I was drinking cold water, guys. And this shirt written here H, but I'm not doing in hospital. You know, letter H stand for the hospital, but I'm not doing in hospital, guys. Sorry. No, actually these are sport t-shirt, guys. You know, you can see from here. You know, and I bought it, I think yesterday. You know, these second-hand clothes, but are purely strong. So I think I'll go that way. Sister, come you say hello. I see my sister, guys. You know, today's on Saturday. My phone is ringing. Today's on Saturday, and we all together, except one of my brother went to do some hustling job. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Why don't you wash your face? Kimbia kwanza oshe uso. Hii style gani? Umechomekea? Kimbia oshe kwanza uso ndio uende. Acha oshe uso anakuja. Yeah. So he was supposed to go with her friend on that way. So probably I told her go and wash your face. Because that's how we encourage, man. Our young sisters, you know, when she was a kid, they're supposed to learn each other. Like when I'm supposed to wake up, my brother told me I wash my face, I brush my teeth, you know. So I normally come here basking the sun a little bit, guys, with you. Where you see this area, it's supposed to have a lot of trees, but nowadays they cut them down, you know. Because the sun is coming from where I'm pointing, guys, right here. This is sun, and there's some rays coming, you know. You can see some rays, guys. Yeah, that one there, you know. Some basking at the same time to get vitamin D. Yeah, I had even on my yesterday video some comment. One of my subscribers said, "Hello baby, you wanna take your grandma outside when it's very in the morning, when we have a sun like this, around 8 to 4, around 8 to 10, it's a nice sun to bask, you know." So in Africa, so especially to get vitamin D, so they normally take our grandma outside, and I think after 20 minutes when the tea break is ready, they wanna take her outside, Okay guys, me I just showing you some natural thing in my village here, and I probably it's a learning experience, back to back. Wow. So for those people who are asking me what's happened between you and Davy Jr., things will be okay guys soon, but there's some rumors going on the internet, right, left, center, because what I believe, some negative people, they don't want to see other people like as a family, collaborate, staying together. They want to separate, man. And me, I'm not the category of that such kind of group, I'm just I'm just staying alone, doing my own things, and other people feel jealous on my side, but things will be okay guys soon. We create videos together since day one, and you will see guys soon. We wanna create videos together. I know you missed the vibe guys, our vibe, man. When we have Dave Jr. Close, we just vibing together, going to border town. Sometimes we stuck with our bike in the river, I know you miss those vibe, but soon at the end of this month you wanna see our vibing guys, our vibing, yeah. It's at the same time it's good to vibe together, and he was the one who introduced me on this platform, supporting me. You can go and click my old video, on my oldest video, you can watch that part. You see how I was working to his construction sites, he taking me to border town, he spoiled me, in hotel, man. Even there's a day he take me to Nairobi. It was my first time to go in Nairobi, and actually right now I know the routes or direction going to Nairobi. Wow. Coke. Huh? But alright guys, so I think at the same time let me walk a little bit to make an exercise, because in the morning I was wake up, I go around 15 press up, and then I start step by step. Next time maybe I'll go 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, but for this case I supposed to go around 15 press up, and I know for a day you can go around 100, and then man you do the same, you do other thing, maybe I can go around 30 in the morning, in noon time, maybe in the morning 15, noon time 15, that's 30, evening 15, that is around 45, so at the end of the month I'll find myself doing more than that. You can see even how people think that, oh hello baby, nowadays they have a big stomach, man. Because I realized, let me make some exercise, and then as long as I eat good, and I avoid to eat like too much bread, you know, it brings some problem, you know. I know too much bread are not good. Like, I don't want maybe to eat like bread right now, like chapati, rice. No, I supposed to eat more veggies and fruits, and then more exercise as you go. If one of you guys watching these videos and you are making some exercise, there's some food maybe people are supposed to eat, you know. I don't want to eat a lot of starch or sugary food. No. So at this case, even I want to plan to give, you know, to give my mama some little cash. At evening time, they're supposed to buy some sweet potatoes, yams, so they can prepare for my strong breakfast. If for them they want to eat chapati, we have flour inside the house. And right now also, I think the rice is more expensive. Oh my god, the rice is more expensive, so they have already finished up inside the house. Maybe at the end of the month of July to August, I'm supposed to buy for them some kgs, you know, and also some beans. Yeah, right now it's around 10:03 a.m. my local time. You know, it's freezing, man. You know. Let me walk from my home, going that way, and then passing on other roads, going home. Super green, guys. You can see from other side. This is the kind of road that we have here in my village, you know. Yeah. We thank God for things that we have, you know, but for my entire village, guys, no electricity. And then imagine we have leaders, and at the same time, guys, I'm shocked when I go for interior part of the village. I found even the local house, the old local house, have some electricity, but when you came to my village, only my village doesn't have some electricity, because our leaders promise us, you know, when I get this chance, I bring you through this village. I'm supposed to give you maybe what I'm supposed to have some project like water, electricity, but when they get that chance for the leadership, they didn't do some promise which puts for the people, you know. And please, if you're watching these videos and you're a leader, man, you're supposed to do something for the people. Like, for example, me, I like this leader from Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traore. He was a nice guy, man. He was doing a good job, making sure that Burkina Faso having good roads, having electricity, having a healthcare center, you know. But when you came back to our village here, yeah, although I don't want to charge people's wrong, no, we have good health. We have good health center. That's number one. Number two, we didn't have water, and there is water running from down at Sorori, running here going to Border Town. But I like to go for entire village. No, you can't see. Or to maybe to place a tap somewhere like this, some local village can fetch water. You can't see, guys. It tells you people who are working in government, they're so corrupt. Corruption is too much, and corruption, you know. And also, yeah, if I charge you guys, if I charging my readers long, please forgive me, but I say the way it is, you know. So we keep going this way, guys. At the same time, we make an exercise, you know, walking. You know, not every day in my motorbike, you know. And I normally use this road going to border town. Yeah, today is walking like that. Walking like that, guys. The bike are passing here. You know. See, people are on motorbike, and are very affordable. You know, you can afford like to hire the bike. Let me say, guys, important or advantage of the motorbike: it's easy to maintain, it's easy to afford, and it's cheaper. You know, like it's taking you around. You know, like there's some places where the car can't, like the vehicle can't pass, or a van. It depends. But if you have the motorbike, you see that one there, man. And also it saves time, because when it's take two people from one place up to the destination, that is it. But the car, it stopped maybe at one point picking the passenger, you know. Wow. And I remember I'm going to make some payment on my second motorbike. I was using my first motorbike. When we start the journey with a van from border town or from Nyabohanse, I can reach in Kisi, because we are going to Kisi. Let's go. They call me passenger. When I start, they start, like our journey when it's starting together. I reach in Kisi. When I came back, I found that vehicle on the road going to Kisi, you know. So it tells you motorbike, it saves more time than vehicle. Personally, if you have maybe a private vehicle, it's good. But a public one, man, it stop one point, picking passenger one point, like that way. And that's delay of time, you know. And actually, guys, our land, it's supposed to reach at this point here, where you see the post going to other side. But our great grandpa back years, they sold that land. Even I haven't seen that I'm going to born on this village, but it's a history which my grandma gives me. Up to nowadays, it's stick on my mind, you know. Guys, should I walk around going to Nyabohanse like that? You know, sometimes it's good to have a nature walk, you know, around my village here. Guys, please, this video, it will depend the title on today, how it's going to be, but a positive one, you know. So all the way positive vibe win, and all my video, it's just positive vibe all the way. But probably, let's go this way, guys. Oh. But I went, right now it's sunny. I went some other places, it's purely dry. I say in our village, we're so blessed, because right now it's sunny. At least we can maybe have a look a little bit, have some green, you know, everywhere. Whew. I see the car is coming from a distance, you know. Yeah, there's the car coming from a distance. And I think that's a bishop. Super nice. Bra, kira msha, kira tiro, hewa sera, yeah, hewa sera. Eke kupere kira? Eria, he kurera boda. That kid when he was too old or too young, he was creating a comedian. Right. Wow. Ah. Oh hey. Hata. Agutunov. Nyabu.
Ni boda kinengeri PCM mandat. Nyabu kuye kwan.
I'm doing it right.
Hayu wakati nuru.
Ni mwana kuzura. Kyoruling. Guys, for those people who are asking me, where's your first motorbike? Just over here, you see. So what we are remaining with is to put the new cover.
Yes.
Here and there. But I love the way you take care of it.
Yeah.
You know, as long as it's feed you.
Yeah.
You can, and also next year. Nakogoni bibige Mungu moja. Tatayo. Taukunga.
Hey.
Yes. Because I'm planning to buy another new motorbike and then you know, to handle it to my friend here. Also he was my brother since childhood. Yeah, that's Honda.
Yes.
You see this stagnant truck? This is our shop here, the local shop. They're collecting sand in this ditch here. So, maybe the motorbike stuck here.
Yeah.
Mura tona maguta.
What's the point?
Si hata linda sukuma mara kuna watu wakora.
Hapa nilete na mafuta.
Ai karo mara ni mangu kana kara mwana. Makoni ndi sukuma ndani kuna wachote mwe kibao. Okay, let's go. The motorbike stuck, no fuel. Oh, Bora town guys. Mr. Dan, how are you? You good? That's Kenya, man. Ubreki upaka mango tona bro.
Sasa. Arna ndaimbo tore oira na tore oiri.
Tatu tore oiri kyo hebo kogu.
Ana
to spring era.
Yongo tora.
Barabara yale mongo kenyorenge.
Guys, but I haven't planned to go to Bora town. One of my brothers found me and then said, let's go. Guys, this is a municipal right here. Dumping site. See the motorbike, guys. Hey, okabako. Watch to be. Eh? Let's go to Border Town. We can't start. I can't even get down.
Tani vyo lakini niko mahali.
Angalia asilimia kubwa ya pikipiki zilali. Hamna tunaona kama hivi. Naona
99% Tichini hivyo.
Pata zingine napata ni madoido tu moja ama pengine
border control. Guys, this is my Roman Catholic church. I normally come here and worship then here. You see border lakini kubeare bondoi. Yeah, this is my bike. Hey! Ma sukayo gimbare no ma kurichangere hanoik. Kusuki hirogete me ku machine resistant shingi sabin. Eh.
Ete mo bucho bila kogibo.
Ngoge pare. Oh. Edoga no rage heren sabine ko.
Mas ata orma hata pa mas kyo bayo.
Ni estima.
Eh. Estima targa kama nani. Araku minchira manjana pole pole.
You can see construction sites, guys, here. People building. Blocks. There's loading of bricks. Goroba he. Ano kamanyo isasi wa sawa. Kama ningatino hare. Sawa hii. The truck.
Ye mumba uli. Yeah. Mumba uli pia ge hare.
Ikina ukikancho kwa uli bai. Sawa pia.
Saa 10.
Yo waro ke na pakancho wa.
Singenda wa pale kancho. Obasa mimi akutumia tatu vingi au kushell.
Yeah.
That's okay. Let's go. Hey, megonga. This shit, guys.
Alois mora rugia guys. Mama, eh.
Chad. Chad. Miss. Tahu bono. Spiriti era bono traci torro kopok. Wow. Let's go, guys. And I wanna go back home. You know, I'm from Mabera right now. Can't say, guys. We are here with my bike. You know, it's daytime. Kindly, guys, Give our video a like, comment, and also subscribe. Wow. Also, my village is well developed village. You know. And one day, guys, I'm gonna take you Joffa Hotel and Restaurant. Just within here. Wow. Very nice. See the restaurant on the other side. Right there. There's a nice gate. The entrance. You know. Yeah. That's the Ringtone house. They're calling it better. You know. Let's move. Village life. Whoa. That's how it go. You wanna see the truck? Right. I keep moving on, guys. I'm shooting this video on Saturday, and it's a Sabbath day, you know. Wow. There's a bridge within here. It's around 100 meters apart from where I am right now. You know, here's the bridge. Whoa. Hey. This is a bridge, guys, right here. And I'm gonna pass it here, guys. Showing you. No pressure at all, guys. You see, this is a bridge. Let me park the bike, guys, and then maybe you experience a little bit and then go. Yeah, guys. So where I'm standing right now, this is a bridge. So it shows you during 19th century, before the colonists construct the tarmac road, this place like was not like this. Wow. From other side, maybe it's slanting, and then you pass the river, you go up. So when they construct this bridge, guys, here you see, guys, and also the water passing here, guys, in this pipe, you know. Wow. So it shows you, guys, this bridge have been they have been constructed during 19th century, guys, up to nowadays by the colony, guys. And right now they use heavy machine by that time, and also heavy metallic. Man, nowadays you can't compare this metal bar here from 19th century and I compare the metal bar for 2025. Man, it's totally different, you know. Wow. Hey, tastes very nice. And also the car not passing here, so normally people passing here going to other side because on that place are very shallow. So when you take also the car to the market, you normally pass branching here going that way. It has an exit and entry, you know. Man, look at this, man. Look at this. It's not a joke, guys. No, this is a real bridge. And then also water is running, man. You can see from there, water is running like crazy. Oh my god. If I could find a nice place, I could take you there. But let's keep moving with my bike. You know, it was my very first time to pass it with my bike. In my normal way, I want to pass it here. Oh my god. You know? Look even at this, guys. Bolt that are tied this side and also that side right here. And then they, you see, man, this is crazy. I think if I'm gonna find such a place, I'm gonna take you there. But for the real sense, man, look how water is running. And when it's raining, man, it can reach at that level that you see right there, you see. And also some heavy vehicle passing on that tarmac with maybe some cages of luggage, you know, and then it can't bend because they have been constructed by the colony. Imagine, guys. But nowadays you heard maybe other bridge collapse, you know. It's because the shortage of steel bar like this, metallic bar, you know. This one is very concrete, guys. Look, right, we're heading this way, guys, taking you around. At least I give you a short history of this place. And also, guys, this place is very dangerous. From this bridge to other side, very dangerous, guys. Sorry for saying this. And normally accidents occur on that place where you see the bridge and then the tarmac right there to other side, you know. The accident occurred there normally, you know, not only once, guys, several times, you know. But let's keep moving and go, you know, as long as we drive carefully, guys, and then we take care of our life, man, we are ready to go. But even that road is passing with a lot of luggage. Wow. Okay, we keep moving on, going back home. Hiya. Wow. One of my friends is greeting me there, like, what love! Right? Super green. You can see. Also, I see people building a nice perimeter wall on that side right there. Okay, guys, I'm just outside here, grinding so hard, you know. Hey, this is a tricky situation. Tricky situation. We didn't have a wide road, but other people tried to overtake. That driving school right there. touch the world. Super amazing, guys. Like it's felt like a chop. Alright. Also, guys, I realized other people influence maybe through the videos. Kids are pushing their bikes over here. You know, nice house. Wow. This road have a full of luggage. You can see that even right now it's bent. Tourist vehicle. Man, wow. It's packed until it goes sideways. Wow. Wow. Guys, I think the best time the tourists like travel to the world. Coming to Africa, you can see also another tourist car right here. I see another one right here. Oh man, tourist car. Yeah, it's a lot. You know, right now some people from maybe US, UK, or from outside of the country, it's the time to visit maybe the game park, game reserve, you know. And actual guys, we have already seen the lion, ostrich, and they experience a lot, man. You know. Wow. Okay. I see the KK. So true. I see the KK guys. They try to. Oh. So guys, right now I'm just in Nyabohanse. Oh yeah. Shwari. Poa kabisa. Niambie. Haya. Haya. Kwenda wapi? Haya. Mimi niko huku natembea tembea naoneshana visit. Haya. Sawa. Alright. If you remember that guy, he was greeting me and then I was far away. Hey. Wow. You're gonna move, man. That's how the Nyabohanse looks like. You know, this is a church, man. You know. Yeah, it's good to greet each other. And then even me, guys, I didn't know him, but he greeted me in a good way. I responded in a good way. You know, there's a track right there. Nyabohanse to the world. Within here. I'm showing you guys Nyabohanse to the world. Right here, guys, that's Nyabohanse to the world. You know, it's a small market, man. Alright guys, I'm back home and I want to end my video by saying thank you so much for the love and support. Oh, where I'm standing right now, this is the borehole. So in the morning I was checking it out. There's no water, full of soil, up to top notch. So I'm trying to see, guys, where I can get $300 so it can able to assist me running this project, because when I'm almost to start building, you know, so I'm supposed to use water in construction, so to avoid more expenses of buying water every day, single minutes, you know, like construction need a lot of water. At the same time, curing, you know, is there, you know, putting slab, everything. And also our pit latrine need water 24 hours because it's an expensive one, you know. We put the sitting toilet, squatting toilet, you know. Also we need to fetch water here for the drinking. Cow will drink, we use for washing clothes, you know, utensils, making some cleanness here and there. Wow. So I think I'll end my video by saying thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. We shall meet on the next video, guys, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.